Today I am reviewing the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever dealt with the frustrating struggle between image quality and physical convenience, you know how hard it is to find the perfect camera setup. You want professional-grade cinematic footage, but you do not always want to carry a heavy camera rig. DJI has long been a leader in solving this exact problem, and the DJI Osmo Nano is their latest innovation. This is not just another standard action camera. It is a pint-sized powerhouse designed for people who need to capture life as it happens, without the bulk. Whether you are a vlogger, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone who just wants to capture a unique perspective of their daily life, the Osmo Nano is engineered to disappear into your workflow while making your content look larger than life. At the core of the Osmo Nano is a 1.3-inch sensor. For those not familiar with camera jargon, this is a very significant size for a camera this small. It allows the device to capture substantially more light, resulting in footage that is crisp, vivid, and surprisingly clean. If you have ever struggled with grainy video in low-light environments or fast-moving action scenes that turn into a blurry mess, this large sensor is the exact answer you need. It supports 4K recording at 60 frames per second with a massive 143-degree ultra-wide field of view. This gives you that immersive, in-the-moment look that is absolutely perfect for action sports, travel vlogging, or even pet perspective videos, where you attach the camera to your dog to see the world from their height. One of the most impressive aspects of the Osmo Nano is its commitment to professional color science. You get support for 10-bit color depth and D-Log-M. For the uninitiated, this means the camera captures a massive amount of color data, which gives you incredible flexibility during the editing process. You can pull back details in the shadows or tone down the highlights to get that cinematic, pro-level look that usually requires much larger, more expensive cinema equipment. The entire physical architecture of the Osmo Nano is built around a magnetic, lightweight ecosystem. This is an absolute game-changer for hands-free filming. You can mount it to your clothing, your hat, or even your pet's harness with ease. Because it is so small, it is truly a pocket camera in the literal sense. Despite its tiny size, the endurance is shocking. You are looking at up to 200 minutes of recording time on a single charge. And when you do run low on juice, it supports fast charging to get you back in the action as quickly as possible. It is also inherently rugged. The camera unit itself is waterproof up to 10 meters, and the Vision Dock provides splash resistance, meaning you can take this camera into the ocean, through a rainstorm, or on a muddy trail without a single second thought. Out of the box, the Osmo Nano gives you 64 gigabytes of built-in storage. You do not need to hunt for an extra memory card just to start shooting on day one. You are ready to go the moment you unbox it. However, DJI has not abandoned power users, as there is an expandable microSD slot, so you can swap cards for those long, all-day shooting sessions. Audio is another area where this device punches far above its weight class. It supports a direct connection for 2 external microphones, ensuring that your vlog has the high-quality, original sound that your audience expects. Now, because this is such a compact, high-performance piece of tech, there are 2 important tips you should keep in mind for the best experience. First, due to the high-resolution processing in such a small chassis, it is perfectly normal for the device to get warm during long 4K sessions. It has built-in heat protection that will stop recording if it detects too much heat, but you can easily bypass this for longer sessions by enabling endurance mode. Second, if you are an Android user, note that the DJI Mimo app is not available on the standard Google Play Store. To get the best experience and ensure you have all the latest firmware updates, simply head over to the official DJI website to download the latest version of the app directly. The DJI Osmo Nano is an incredible piece of microengineering. It successfully balances high-end features like 10-bit color, massive battery life, and high-quality sensors with a form factor that is almost impossible to beat. If you are looking for a compact, magnetic, and versatile camera that does not sacrifice quality for size, this is arguably the most capable vlogging companion on the market today.